Hey beautiful souls, do you ever feel like your spiritual energy could use a boost? Maybe you're feeling drained, disconnected, or just want to elevate your daily vibe? Well, today I'm sharing 5 powerful herbs that can amplify your spiritual energy every single day. These are nature's gifts to help you feel grounded, inspired, and connected to the universe. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip that will supercharge your spiritual practice. And if you love this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more soul-nourishing content. Let's dive in. Herbs have been used for centuries in spiritual practices across the world, from ancient shamans to modern mystics. They're like little powerhouses of energy, helping us align our mind, body, and spirit. Today we're exploring 5 herbs you can easily incorporate into your daily routine to raise your vibration and feel more connected to your higher self. Ready? Let's start with number 1. First up, sage. The ultimate spiritual cleanser, sage, especially white sage, has been used for centuries by indigenous cultures to clear negative energy and purify spaces. Its smoky earth aroma instantly shifts the vibe of any room, making it perfect for starting your day with a clean slate. Here's how to use it. Light a sage bundle. Let it smolder and gently wave it around your space or over your body, visualizing negative energy dissolving. You can say a simple intention like, I release all that no longer serves me. Pro tip, open a window to let the negative flow out. You can find sage at most health stores or online. Just make sure it's ethically sourced. Why it works. Sage is believed to neutralize stagnant energy, making room for positivity and clarity. Try smudging in the morning to set a high vibe tone for your day. Next we have lavender, the herb of peace and intuition. Lavender's soothing scent is like a warm hug for your soul, helping you calm your mind and tap into your inner wisdom. It's perfect for meditation or winding down after a hectic day. Try this. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser or rub it on your temples before meditating. You can also sip lavender-infused tea to relax your nervous system. This herb is amazing for amplifying your spiritual energy by helping you connect with your higher self in a calm, centered state. Fun fact, lavender is linked to the third eye chakra, so it's a must-have for anyone looking to boost their intuition. Who else loves lavender? Drop a heart in the comments. Number 3 is rosemary, the herb of protection and clarity. Rosemary has a vibrant, uplifting energy that's been used in spiritual practices to ward off negative vibes and enhance mental focus. It's like a shield for your aura. Here's how to use it. Burn dried rosemary like sage for a cleansing ritual, or add fresh rosemary to your meals for an internal energy boost. You can also place a sprig under your pillow to promote vivid, spiritual, insightful dreams. Rosemary's sharp, herbaceous scent wakes up your senses and helps you stay grounded while connecting to your higher realms. It's super easy to grow at home, so why not to start your own rosemary plant? Let me know in the comments if you are growing herbs at home. Coming in at number 4 is holy basil, or tulsi, a sacred herb in Ayurvedic traditions. Tulsi is known as an elixir of life. Because it balances your energy and deepens your spiritual connection, it's like a bridge between your physical and spiritual self. Try this. Brew tulsi tea and sip it mindfully in the morning to set a sacred intention for your day. You can also place fresh tulsi leaves on your altar or meditation space to invite divine energy. Why it works? Tulsi is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body and mind adapt to stress, leaving you more open to spiritual growth. It's a game changer for anyone seeking inner peace. Have you tried Tulsi before? Share your experience below. Last but not least, peppermint, the herb of energy and clarity. Peppermint's refreshing, zingy vibe is perfect for waking up your spiritual senses and keeping you alert during rituals or meditation. Here's how to use it. brew peppermint tea for a morning energy boost, or add a drop of peppermint essential oil to your diffuser to sharpen your focus. You can even rub fresh peppermint leaves between your fingers and inhale deeply to clear mental fog. Peppermint is linked to the throat chakra, helping you express your truths and connect with your spiritual voice. It's a must-have for anyone looking to feel vibrant and alive every day. Before we wrap up, here's your bonus tip. Create a daily herbal ritual. Combine these herbs into a morning or evening practice. For example, smudge with sage, sip tulsi tea, and meditate with lavender oil nearby. This routine will amplify your spiritual energy and keep you aligned with your highest self. Which herb are you most excited to try? Drop it in a comment and inspire each other. That's it for today's video, beautiful souls. These 5 herbs, sage, lavender, rosemary, holy basil, and peppermint, can transform your daily spiritual practice and help you shine brighter than ever. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your tribe, and subscribe for more tips on living a high vibe life. Hit this notification bell so you never miss an upload. Want more? Check out the videos I left down below for other ways to boost your spiritual energy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay radiant.